guys. Got Dollar Tree packs. 5 of them. So I grabbed one of each kind so that they had. These things are a pain in the butt to open. Let's see what we get though. I get them open. Right, we're gonna do this. Here's the code cut. I'm just kidding. What a jerk move. Am I right? Am I right? Okay. Got this guy. Can't say his name. A Star U and ooh, a rare Dugtrio. No, it's not a rare, it's common. Oh, it's a Dudo, my bad. The little mailbag looked like a third head, so I thought it was a Dugtrio. What was I say? I'm pretty sure Dugtrio's a rare. But then again, that's XY, so I don't remember. I could be wrong. Alright, that was XY. Let's do all the XY first. That was Breaking Point, or Break Point, Break Thunder, Breakthrough. Holy crap, I can't think. Read. That one was a lot easier to. I already saw the first card. Okay. Alright, so we got ourselves a Porygon 2. An unknown, yeah. And boom, look at that beautiful thing. Oh, Mega Rayquaza EX. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, I had a bad week. This just made it amazing. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, I had a horrible week, but that just made it amazing. Okay. Alright, so now let's do Sun and Moon. We're gonna go ahead and do Crimson Invasion first. I don't remember which one came out first, but we're gonna do this one first. I was excited about the unknown, but then I always wanted an unknown. Oh yeah, a dashing pouch. Okay. Min, whatever it's called. Don't feel like reading it right now. And an execute. Alright, so Forbidden Light. Let's do that one. Then we'll finish with Ultra Prism. I know Forbidden Light came after Ultra Prism, but I don't even know if I went in order with the other. So I don't know when they were released. Okay. The wannabe code card out of the way. Got Inkjet, or whatever it's called. Ooh, yes, I wanted one of those. But I didn't want Psychic, though. I wanted an Electric. Didn't they? And this guy. Regger? No, Heatron. Ooh, cool, Heatron. It's a rare. Nice. Alright, last deck. Last opening, pack. Not deck. So, I hope you guys had a great week. Mine wasn't very good, but that's because I'm silly and yeah. Okay, let's see. I didn't get to see the actual card, but that's okay. That's good. Ooh, sweet. Turtwig. I needed this one. Nice. Crandos. And awesome, the Cosmog. Teleport. Switch one of your Pokemon with your bench Pokemon. That's pretty cool. Alright guys. That was it. I will announce the winner. Oh, I'm looking for my phone. It's right there. I'll announce the winner of the contest later. since I might announce the winner before I even upload this one, so congratulations if I did. Also, thanks for watching, and hope you guys enjoyed, and hope you guys enjoyed the winning of the first stage. By the way, that unpacking video was very fun, I may add, and very awesome, so go and watch that if you haven't. See who won part 1, and then I probably will do part 2 winning because no one else has won. So alright guys, peace out, see ya.